Hello, my friends. How are you today? Aaron Michael Eschenberg and Pants the Cat. Meow. Bringing you your daily horoscope for the 26th of May, 2019. Memorial weekend here. Sunday fun day. We've got the moon moving into Pisces. All right. It's going to be creating a trine to Mars down there in Cancer. Okay. Now, these water signs are all about emotions. Emotions. And what does water do? Water sinks to the bottom of something. So sometimes, oftentimes, things go into hiding when they go into the water signs, okay? Mars going into Cancer, it's like our planet of action goes into hiding. We sometimes take a bit of a back seat because we don't exactly know where we're going. And then the moon going into Pisces, this is, it's like the completion of the journey. We're not started on a new journey yet. It's like we just got home and we're taking the time to kind of reflect, unpack the bags, put away the stuff. It's an interesting thing because there's a lot of buzz energy. It's Memorial weekend. It's Sunday. We have Monday off. The majority of people have Sunday and Monday off, depending on what kind of career you have. But a lot of people have the weekend off. So there is a lot of energy. I mean, the sun is in Gemini, Mercury is in Gemini. They're both at the early degrees. And Gemini is all about, this motion, putting things into motion. It's information and it's movement and, so it's dancing, it's getting out and doing things. It's not just staying at home, where that kind of Mars energy is. It's like, stay in. But it's like, no, we have this energy that's like pulling us, propelling us to go out and do things and be sociable and be active. And then our moon moving into Pisces is also saying like this inward reflection. So I'll show you this for a second, just so you see what I'm looking at, because the chart today is pretty wild, So you see this trine here, Mars 6 degrees, moon's at 4 degrees by noon. So the whole day really, it's creating that. That's an easy flow. So we're intuitively just feeling our way through it. And then here we got this cool connection. Well, first, we've got a couple cool connections going on to Jupiter up here in Sagittarius. Okay, again, Jupiter is all about the higher education, the philosophy, the traveling to faraway lands to learn this beautiful information, the expansive knowledge, and we get to share that with everybody. And since Mercury is ahead of the sun, we're stealing the fire from the gods and giving it to man. All right. So we have this information, this communication. Now we have Uranus, breakthrough Uranus here in Taurus, right? It's going to be there for another 7 or 8 years. This is in the beginning degrees, creating this semi-square, sesqui-square right there, that weird little symbol, up here to Jupiter. So it's just like the breakthrough comes from this knowledge. The breakthrough comes from this knowledge. The dreams, Neptune over here, how are we obtaining our dreams? By seeking out this knowledge, okay? And having faith. And we're intuitively moving. We're intuitively moving through this, all up here. Everything is pointing to this knowledge. And our emotional moon, what we need, is to just close our eyes and feel it out. Feel it out. Kind of like what I was talking about the other day when I something about, the karate warrior, the martial artist who's wears the blindfold to hone in on their skills of acute hearing. It's like Daredevil, perhaps. If you've seen the Marvel show Daredevil, he's like, he hears everything so well. I can hear your heartbeat if you're lying to me. I don't need to look in your eyes. I don't need to see your expression. There's other things beneath the surface that I'm able to pick up on that are the telltales, right? So again, this is this beneath the surface water energy. We're going deep. So it is a light and it is a fun day, but it's also going deep. Like, hey, gotta unpack the bags. They're not gonna do it themselves. Time to unwind here before we start this new journey. So let me show you this for a quick second here. So look, here's Sunday. Okay. Now here's Monday. Moon's here. So these are our days off. Now the moon's gonna be connected here. We'll talk about that more tomorrow. And then we're gonna start off Tuesday. All right, this is the last 2 degrees, so it's going to be a couple hours in. So by midway through the day, we're really, the energy's picking back up, this fire energy. So it's like this weekend now, after Saturday is the sun was, or the moon was still up here in Aquarius. This takes a little bit of a different toll. It's more emotional. It's more feeling again. It's different. It's a different kind of energy this year than just the fun blazing parties, which is Saturday. That was Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday into Monday. We're kind of bringing it down, more authentic, more feeling it, more. It's a different relationship we're dealing with people in the family, and it's going to be a really good energy. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll see you on Monday on Memorial Day. Talk to you then.